Why you must subscribe to this YouTube channel? In this video, I will give you the answer. Let's start. Hi everyone, I'm Rajan on this YouTube channel, English with Rajan. I make English learning easier and fun. So, if you want to learn English in a easy way, without getting overwhelmed, without getting bored, without losing motivation, then this channel is for you. I don't make 1-2 hours of long YouTube videos. I make short, easy and practical English lessons so that you could improve your English without getting bored, without losing your motivation. So if you are one who is really demotivated of learning English, who is not motivated, who thinks English is boring, to learn, this channel is for you. Whatever I share on this YouTube channel, whatever I teach on this YouTube channel, this all comes from my own experience. This all comes from what I learned. Whatever I learn, whatever new I learn about English, I share with you. For example, if I learned 5 new idioms today, then I will make a video about it and will share with you. So this is how I improve English myself and help you improve your English as well. If you are finding a partner to learn English, this channel is perfect for you. And if you want to learn English easy way, then this channel is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Bye bye guys, see you in the next amazing video. Bye bye.